Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make your own bone broth. Making your own nutrient-rich bone broth at home is simpler than you might think, and it offers fantastic health benefits. We'll start by selecting the best bones, ideally from grass-fed or organic sources, to ensure the highest quality. Roasting these bones first for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit will significantly deepen the flavor and give your broth a beautiful, rich color. Then, grab a large stock pot or a slow cooker to begin our journey. Now let's gather our supporting cast of ingredients. For a richer, more complex flavor, you'll want to add aromatic vegetables such as 2 or 3 carrots, 2 stalks of celery, and 1 large onion roughly chopped. A crucial step is to include about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out all those beneficial minerals from the bones. Finally, cover all your ingredients with cold water, ensuring they are submerged by at least 1 inch. The simmering process is where the magic truly happens. For beef bones, aim for a long, slow simmer of at least 12 hours, and you can even go up to 48 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. If you're using chicken bones, a shorter duration of 6 to 24 hours is usually sufficient. Remember, the key is a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil, which can make your broth cloudy and diminish its quality. Patience here yields the best results. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, it's time for the final steps. Carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove all the bones and vegetables, leaving you with a clear, rich liquid. Allow the broth to cool completely at room temperature before transferring it into airtight containers. You can store your homemade bone broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months of convenient use.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.